guys. I'm at McDonald's right now. I ordered a smokehouse, but I didn't want no smokehouse sauce on it. But they put some smokehouse sauce on it.
2 times.
2 times. Now I just want a classic chicken. So why are you guys putting smokehouse sauce on people's food when they don't want smokehouse? Point is, can y'all get y'all food right? Exactly. I mean,
Get your orders right.
Get your orders right. Like seriously though, like these stores, maybe we should just like
Stop eating out.
Yeah. I eat all these vegetables and rice because I'm out done with McDonald's, Wendy's, and everything because they causing problems, causing too much problems. So I'll get back to y'all later. This is just a quick review. My show them. So look.
Mommy had to take some sauce off it,
Mommy
and I put some regular
sauce
barbecue
off
sauce
of
on
it,
it.
and they put smokehouse sauce on it.
I put regular sauce on it.
Guys, you can't get your orders right, then don't serve us. Keep God first. Love yourself before others. Bye.
Can't serve us right.
Can't serve us right. Okay, part 2. So my mom is seriously just like eating a smokehouse burger right now.
Chicken.
She's greedy. She's greedy and
and I'm gonna get your sandwich right after I start.
and she's eating onions, and people don't want her eating onions, and you don't want the sandwich. What's the point? Like seriously though. And now she's putting mayonnaise on it.
All over it. And then I'm
Give me some of that bacon.
There you go, bacon.
No, I want a big piece of it.
Wait.
It's big. Guys. Oh no, I want... What? Mommy. She gonna give me a little piece of this bacon. Hold on. Can't get your order right. Don't serve us, right?
Right. So can't get it right?
I'm gonna be back with part 3. Once I get my classic chicken sandwich.
Too far. So, chicken and bacon without the smokehouse sauce. I got regular sauce.
It ain't crispy, it ain't smokehouse sauce? It is smokehouse sauce, right?
I took it off.
Wow, you're gonna be pooping. My mom's gonna be pooping. So we're gonna actually go home because I do feel like I have to poop too. So yeah, because we're not gonna eat. Yes, I did. I ate fries. That's gonna make me poop. What are you talking about? And salt? Salt. Yeah, people do that a lot, right? So they can't resist this spending 1 minute in the pool. Okay, 1 minute later in the pool. Like seriously. So this is how much fries I ate, you guys. This whole tub. This whole tub of fries. And they're all
gonna lock yourself in while I go get you a sandwich?
Yeah, classic. So guys, how do you make a reaction video? I want to make a reaction video real quick while you're in the store. Well, I'll get you guys back later. Wait, okay, yeah, I'll get you guys back later with another burping video. It's your boy, Baby Dino, and Mommy's going to do a video. Mommy's going to do
What?
a burping video.
Can't burp today. No.
I did a couple.
Can't burp today.
I'm gonna throw up. Okay, here we go. That's a little one. I'm doing a couple. So Mommy's gonna do the burping in the drive-through video, right? Prank.
I'm gonna try.
Wait, no. She's gonna do a prank of McDonald's, okay? So, well, she's gonna be like, you make up your funniest voice so they can't know you. Like, hello, can I get one, classic McChicken burger? Okay? Can you do that? Huh? Make up your voice. So try it. Try your voice.
May I have one classic burger?
No, you have to make it seem like it's not you. Okay.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to speak to a manager.
Okay, you can pull it to the first window.
Okay. Can I order real quick while I'm waiting?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get the 2 for $5. The chicken sandwich, I don't want nothing on there but some cheese.
I'm sorry, I was talking to a customer. What was that?
On the chicken sandwich, I don't want nothing on there but cheese. No pickle, no sauce.
And the McChicken?
The one's 2 for $5. That's a classic chicken, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
I want that.
You want no pickle, just cheese?
Yes.
Alright.
And the other one, the 10-piece nugget.
Any sauce?
Barbecue.
Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
Alright. 2 classic chickens and a 10-piece is $9.33. First one down.
Oh, is it 2 for $5?
Yeah, it switched up. It matched with the 10-piece and the classic chicken. Yeah, all of them are on the 2 for $5. Did you want 2 10-pieces?
No, it's a chicken sandwich and a 10-piece. Mixed match.
Yeah. You wanted 2 classic chickens, right?
No, just one.
Okay. Alright. $5.72.
Thank you.
It's the phone.
Oh my God! Yo, she's not gonna know who it is, you guys. I'm gonna be like,
Just don't
Natty!
follow him, though.
Oh my god, you guys.
Keep it on me, not him. Okay.
Miss Mommy.
You're silly, Dean.
Bro. That's
When I get
crazy.
up there, you just bring it up to
You're
me
like-
like this a little bit, okay? Like just on my.
Like that.
I got tears coming out, and it's funny. I was gonna speak to your manager, please. It's like, you go to the second window.
Bro, somebody just did a prank on McDonald's, and yeah, let's see how the reaction's gonna turn out. So we'll get back to you guys in a minute, okay? Bye-bye.
They messed up all over again, but I ended up eating my sandwich and I gave his away. They ended up putting the sauce on it all over again. I just ended up wiping it off of mine. Yep. Well, the mustard wasn't on there. The smokehouse sauce is what we didn't want.
Oh, the bacon onion sauce.
Yeah, you don't like it.
Okay.
Gets to your stomach in the heat.
1 second. So you had the classic chicken, 10 piece.
Mm-hmm.
That's so
Oh, little Dean wanted me to disguise my voice, so for a video.
I'm Momo. My name is Momo.
Oh, here we go. You said how much? 5.10?
72.
My name is
I just
Momo.
had $1. Alright.
Like and
I
subscribe.
need to be taking this money.
We'll get you.
This little boy is picky. He's worse than me.
Like and subscribe, and I'll get you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.